Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 41 Part 3 Hitokoto few words Shacho hitokoto o itte itamasen ka Company President, won't you say a few words? Niban otaku home respectful equivalent of uchi or ie Kireina otaku desu ne, what a beautiful home. Sanban, mukashi banashi, folktale. Taketori monogatari wa Nihon no mukashi banashi no hitotsu desu. The tale of bamboo cutter is one of Japan's folk tales. Yonban, ijimemas, to bully, abuse. Ijime de Jisatsu suru gakusei ga oi. There are many students who end their life due to bullying. Kame, turtle, tortoise. Kodomo no toki kame o katte ita. I used to have a pet tortoise when I was a kid. Rokuban, tasukemas, save, help. Komatte iru hito o tasukeru beki desu. One should help always someone who is in trouble. Kurashimas, to live or lead a life. Taishoku shite kara inaka e itte shizuka ni kurashitai desu. After I retire, I want to live a peaceful life in my hometown. Hachiban, keimuri, smoke. Ano biru kara keimuri ga deteimasu. There is a smoke coming from that building. Cuban, Mashiro, pure white. Mashiro na kumo, pure white cloud. Juban, Nakami, contents. Kare wa ako akete nakami o mita. He opened the box and looked inside. Grammar point 3. Verb te form kudasai masen ka. The way of making a request is politer than te kudasai, but not as polite as te itadakimasen ka. Reichi, kopiki no sukai kata o oshiete kudasaimasen ka. Could you please teach me how to use this copier? Grammar point 4. Noun ni verb. When used as illustrated in the following two examples, the particle ni means as a token of or in memory of. Rei ni Tanaka-san ga kekkon iwai ni kono osara o kudasai mashita. Mr. Tanaka gave us this dish as a wedding gift. Rei-san Hokkaido Ryoko no omiyage ni ningyo o kaimashita. I bought a doll as a souvenir of my trip to Hokkaido.